Okay, so my stupid dash cam suction cup thingy, it keeps falling off the window, and I swear to God, it's gonna get me in an accident if it keeps doing that while I'm driving. So it's no longer sticking because I think it's been the suction cup itself has been deformed, and it's flatter than before. It no longer has as much of a cavity inside, and that's because when it was held in place and in the hot sun, this rubber material itself kind of gave a little bit and deformed. So to kind of, I guess, suctionify it, I'm going to add a little bit of thickness to prop up the disc so that it gets pulled in further when you actually do latch the mechanism in the back. And to do that, I created a little ring, and all I did was a little calculator work, a little measuring with some calipers, the diameter to get it to sit on this inner lip here, and it's just going to be friction fit. And that's literally just took me like not even a minute to design this. I'm going to send this off to my printer, print something out real quick, and see if that fits and if it works. And even at a leisurely pace, it's going to take 24 minutes to print in 3 grams, so barely any plastic, and I could probably actually speed that up. I have this on a pretty slow setting, so I'm pretty sure I could get this done in half the time if I need it, but I'll just let it print while I eat dinner. Oh, I know what happened. I accidentally set the outer diameter, the inner diameter of this ring is the actual diameter. I should have inset it. Oops, let me go fix that. This was barely any plastic, so I'll just print out another one. I'll just decrease it by the fixed amount. Okay, I am back. Look what I made the first, oh wait. Look what I made the first time around without any mistakes at all whatsoever, and it only took me about half an hour. So yeah, I decreased the diameter, so this should be right. And also, I forgot I needed to put a little cutout because there's this little arm that comes out. So I just literally cut out the material within the modeling software. Anyway, yeah, now this is much harder to get in. Yeah, this is going to take a little bit of fumbling. There we go. Okay, let's see how the fit is. Oh, it just clipped in. I got the tolerance like perfect. And look at that, it's the exact right size. And the final test, it's definitely tighter, this knob part, which I think is a good sign. Let me grab something kind of smooth I can clip this to. Okay, the only thing I could find that was kind of smooth and flat and I could pick up is the back of this radio. So, just stick this on here, and yeah, it's definitely harder to do, but yeah, that is on there. That's not coming off. So yeah, that did it. Added just a little bit thickness, and it's a press fit, so no glue. Just clips right in. I love that. When plastic parts make that sound when they clip together, you can know you got a really good interference fit. Anyway, I printed this out just out of PLA, what I had already on the spool on my printer. So I don't think this will really survive, high temperatures or anything like that. So I'll probably end up reprinting this. I have some ABS somewhere. That'll fare a lot better. And you want to try printing this in a lighter color. If you print it in black, it's going to absorb heat more readily. So yellow should be fine. The ABS I have is white. That'll be ideal. And yeah, so hopefully this will, you can see now, it's pulling it quite a bit deeper. So this should last, hopefully, quite a bit longer. If you happen to have this exact dash cam and you're having this exact problem, shoot me a message and I can send you this file. It took me 2 seconds to design up, and it fits perfectly now, ignoring this guy. Okay, and here we are. I stuck up the suction cup, put a little bit of water there, drove to work. It's sticking for now. I'm not expecting this to be a permanent fix, so I'm probably just going to figure out a way to either permanently attach the pad using maybe some like 3M double stick kind of gel tape or whatever, and I'll get this up a little later anyway. But this will hold for now, at least, until I get the time to do that. But anyway, yeah, this was just a really quick video, so I wanted to extol the virtues of if you have a 3D printer and you come across like broken plastic things or things that you need to make adapters for real quick, it really is that quick and easy. I iteratively design this. It only took me 2 tries, of course, but I iteratively designed this in easily less than an hour to have an actual part of my hand that actually fits and works now. So definitely really cool. 3D printers are really awesome.